Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando con la página número 101, 101 y tenemos estas dos palabritas, big and small. Big, vamos a encerrar, circle the big toys, and we are going to circle with blue the small toys. Okay, so let's go. Let's find the big toys. I think this one is big. Okay, what about the bike? I think this bike is big too. The kite, I think the kite is a big toy too. Okay, now we have to use the blue color. Okay, for the small toys. Small, a ver, déjenme ver. There's one, and this one. Okay, now we have to say the name of these toys. Vamos con este: yo-yo, duck, car, bike, kite, and a house. Ok, eso es lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Nos vemos el día de mañana. Remember, have a great day. Bye bye.